Revolutionize your research. Convert journal articles to presentations in minutes with Gamma AI. Gamma is a AI-powered app that can convert any journal article into a presentation in minutes. It'll save you a lot of time and labor, but most academics don't know about it. Here's how to use it. 1. Go to gamma.app and sign up for a free account. 2. Gamma will ask you how you want to use it, individually or as a team, what you want to use it for, work, school, or personal use. Choose your preferences and Gamma will create a workspace for you. 3. Gamma will ask you if you would like to create a presentation, a document, or a web page. Click on Presentation and enter the title of the journal article that you want to create a presentation of. Gamma will retrieve the article and start working on it. 4. Once it's done, Gamma will show you the presentation it prepared. This is a useful presentation and captures the main idea of a paper titled Conjectures on World Literature by Franco Moretti. 5. If certain ideas/parts need explanation, you can ask Gamma to expand on them. To do so, click on the Edit with AI button in the right sidebar and ask Gamma to expand on it. 6. Gamma will do the needful and give you an expanded version of the section. 7. You can, of course, add/delete the content to suit your requirements. Try it now. Gamma.app.